Avocado toast 4 ways. Hi there, Ovidio De Leon here with Charles Marketing, here to show you 4 simple avocado toast recipes with simple ingredients you can use every day. Our first recipe is avocado toast with orange marmalade. First, we're just gonna slice our avocado in the middle. You're gonna make your cuts into your avocado to make your slices, and just use a spoon to spoon it out. Use whatever kind of bread you want to use as your toast, but once you have that, you're gonna lay your slices on your toast. Finally, you're gonna spread some orange marmalade on top, and you're done. Our next recipe is avocado toast with Pico De Gallo. And making Pico De Gallo is super easy. All you need is onion, cilantro, tomatoes, and I always like to season mine with lime, salt, and pepper. And once you have that all cut up, just set that to the side. We're first gonna spread some smashed avocado on your toast. Next, we're gonna add some of that Pico De Gallo that you just made on top. Then we're gonna add a dollop of sour cream, and finally garnished with cilantro. And look at that! Our third recipe is avocado toast with salsa. First, you're gonna lay some avocado slices on your toast. Next, we're gonna spread some salsa on top. You can make this homemade or from the store. Finally, we're gonna top off with some sour cream, and you're done. Our last one is super simple avocado toast with everything bagel seasoning. First, we're gonna spread some smashed avocado on your toast. Next, you're just gonna add some everything bagel seasoning and just measure with your heart. There is no right or wrong to this. And there you go, avocado toast with everything bagel seasoning. So there you have it, avocado toast 4 ways. Like what you see? You can try these recipes on Monday, September 19th during breakfast at any of your favorite dining hall centers here at Missouri State.